Hello students, today we will discuss on the divisibility test, open book test. It is okay, and we have to discuss on the divisibility test. Before starting the test, just we will revise the divisibility test that is which are there for you in the syllabus. So what is the test of the divisibility test of 2? If a unit place of a number contains 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 at its unit place, then the given number is divisible by 2. Next, the divisibility test of 3. So what is the divisibility test of 3? If any number is there, okay, and its sum, if it is divisible by, its sum is divisible by 3, then the given number is divisible by 3. So 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 6, 13, and 13 plus 2 is the 15, and 15 is there in the table of 3. That's why this number is divisible by 3. What is the test of 5? The 4 test. If last two digits of a number, from this last two digits are there 20, 4 5 are 20. So if this number is divisible by 4. Okay. Next, test of 5. When a unit place of a number, it contains 0 and 5 at its unit place, then the given number is divisible by 5. Next divisibility test is the divisibility test of 9. It is there for you in the syllabus. And what is the divisibility test of the number test of 9? Sum of the digit. For example, suppose we will take this number here, 7 6 3 2. If you do the addition of this all digits in the number, 6 plus 7 13, 13 plus 3 16, 16 plus 2 18. Now 18 is divisible by which? 9, because 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. So this number is divisible by 9. So this is the test, divisibility test of the which 9. If a sum of the digits of a number are present in the 9th table, then the given number is divisible by which? 9. Now here it is the which of the number is divisible by 6, I ask you. So 6 divisibility test is the, if a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, 2 3s are 6, 2 and 3 both, then the given number is divisible by 6. Okay. So first of all we will see, is this number divisible by 2? Yes. And 3, 2 and 3 both we have to check. 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 5 12, and 12 plus 4 16. Is this number is divisible by 3? No. So the number is not divisible by 6. Okay. So this number is not divisible by which? That is 6. Next number is this, 4 plus 7 13, 13 plus 2 15, and 15 plus 0 15. So this number is there, it is divisible by 3, and it is already divisible by 2 because unit place of a number is contains which? 0. That's why this number is divisible by 6. Okay. Now we will discuss about the next question. 6 plus 7 13, 13 plus 3 it is 16, and 16 plus 2 is the 18. Okay. Already this number is divisible by 2 because even number it is there, and 18 is there, 3 stable inside 18 is there. That's why this number is also divisible by 6. Next number we will see, that is the fourth number, 5474. In this number, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 7 16, and 16 plus 4 is the 20. So 20 is not present in the table of 3. That's why this number is not divisible by 6. 2 and 3 both, if it is divisible by, then the number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then the number is divisible by 6. Next it is the second one is the 9226. 9 plus 2 11, plus 2 13, 13 plus 6 it is 19, and 19 is not divisible by 2, and that's why just don't check it about 3 only. It is divisible by 2 or not. Next, this number, it is odd number, it is not divisible by 2, that's why it is not divisible by 6. Now it is an even number. Now we will check whether it is divisible by 3 or not. So 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 3 is the how much? 15. Okay. So as unit place of a number contains 4, so it is divisible by 2, and its sum is 15, that's why it is divisible by 3 also, and that's why this number is divisible by 6. Okay. Then next number we will see 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 4 13, and 13 plus 6 is the 19. This number is even, but it is not divisible by 3, and that's why this number is not divisible by 6. Okay. Now we will see the next question. Which of the following number is divisible by 5? Which of the following number is divisible by 5? The test of 5 is that the unit place of a number if contains. So the divisibility test of 5 is that if a unit place of a number contains 0 and 5 at unit place, then only number is divisible by 5. If you check the unit place of these numbers, which number has a 0 and 5 at unit place? 9320. So these only are divisible by 5. Other numbers are not divisible by 5. Next set is there given here. So here it is unit place 4, 4, 3, and here it is 5. So this number is divisible by 5. Other numbers are not divisible by 5. Okay. So we have to use the tester. We don't want to solve these examples by doing the division. Okay. Now the next question is, which of the following number is divisible by 9? So just I told you the 9's test, we have to do the sum of digits and we have to check whether it is present in 9's table or not. So 9 plus 5 14, 14 plus 4 18, and 18 plus 8 26. Okay, so 26 is not present in the 9's table, so the number is not divisible by which? That is the 9. Next we will see 7 plus 5 is 12, 12 plus 6 is the 18, 18 plus 4 is the 20. 20 is not divisible by 9, so it is not present in, means it is not divisible by 9. Next 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 2 11, and 11 plus 7 is the 18. So this number is divisible by 9 because its sum is there, sum of digit, that is 18. 9 ones are 9 and 9 twos are 18. So this is divisible by 9. Next it is the 8 plus 5 13, 13 plus 3 16, and 16 plus 3 19. So 19 is not there, divisible by 9. So this number is not divisible by 9. Next 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 2 11, and 11 plus 4 is 15. Okay, so 9 step inside 15 is not there, or 15 is not divisible by 9. That's why this number is not divisible by 9. 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 3 15, 15 plus 5 is equals to 20, and 20 plus 6 is equal to 26, and that's why 26 is not present in this 9's table. That's why this number is not divisible by 9. Next 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 8 13, 13 plus 2 15, and 15 plus 3 is 18. It is divisible by 9, 9 to 18. So this number is divisible by 9. Next it is the 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 0 6, 6 plus 5 11, and 11 plus 2 is the 13. 13 is not divisible by 9. That's why this number is not divisible by 9. In this way, orally we have to add this number and we have to check. It's not necessary to do the addition in this way in the paper. 1 plus 4 plus, suppose this example I am doing, 1 plus 4 plus 8 plus 2 plus 3. You have to add it orally and check whether its sum is divisible by 9 or not. Okay. After this we will move towards the next question, whether which of the following number is divisible by 4. So for this, what I told you, if last two digits are there, that is divisible by 4, then number is divisible by 4. So 42 is here, and if you, so 42, if you see here 10 fours are 40 and 11 fours are 44, 42 is there, it is not divisible by 4. That's why this number is not divisible by 4. 26, if 4's table, if you say 4 6 are 24 and 4 6 are 24. If you divide this 26 with 4, this number is not divisible by 4. Next it is 30. It is also, 30 is also not divisible by 4. 36. 36 is divisible by 4, which is how it is, 4 nines are 36, and that's why this number is divisible by 4. Okay. Next it is the 5312. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, and 4 threes are 12. So this number is divisible by 4. 26, as I told you, 26 is not divisible by 4. 42 is also not divisible by 4, and at last 74, it is also not divisible by 4, and that's why these numbers are there. They are not divisible by 4. Okay. Now the last question, number 5, and we have to check that whether these numbers are there, it is divisible by 3 or not. So here first 3 steps, as we know that we have to do the addition of these numbers. So 3 plus 9, 12, 12 plus 4, 16, and 16 plus 5 is the 21. Okay. So 3 stable inside 21 is there, and that's why this number is divisible by 3. Okay. Next is the, so this number is divisible by 3. Next number is the 3853. Do the addition. 8 plus 3 is 11, plus 5 16, and 16 plus 3 is the 19. Okay, and 19 is not divisible by 3. That's why this number is not divisible by 3. Okay. Next number is the 4622. So 4622. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 2 is the 14. Okay. 14, and 14 is not divisible by 4. That's why this number is not divisible by 14 is not divisible by 3. That's why this number is not divisible by 3. Next number is 5834. So 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 plus 3 is 16, and 16 plus 4 is equal to 20, and 20 is not divisible by 3. That's why this number is also not divisible by 3. Okay. Now we will move towards the next question. Here 2342. So 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 4 9, and 9 plus 2 is 11. Okay. So 11 is not present. It is not present in the table of 3, and that's why this number is not divisible by 3. Next number 3432. So 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10, and 10 plus 2 is the 12. 3 4s are 12. Means 12 is divisible by 3. That's why this number is also divisible by 3. Okay. Next question is the 5432. If you see, 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12, and 12 plus 2 is 14. 14 is not divisible by 3. That's why this number is also not divisible by 3. And at last 8224. 8224. 8 plus 2 10. 10 plus 2 12, and 12 plus 4 is the 16, and 16 is not divisible by 3. That's why this whole number is not divisible by 3. So in this way we have to use the divisibility test of different numbers, and we have to check whether the number is divisible by particular number or not. So here the first question inside I gave you, it is divisible by 6 or not, but 6 divisibility is not there for you in the syllabus. Okay. Then also I gave this question, I told you how it is divisible, but others it is all important, because 5 tests, 3, 9 and 4, these tests are there for you in the syllabus. Okay. So today we'll stop here only. The divisibility test revision is over. Okay. So all of you check, take any number and check whether it is divisible by the particular test or not. Okay. So today we will stop here only. Okay. Thank you and have a good day.